Hi catchers, welcome back to my channel. For any of you who are new, hi, I'm Ivy. Welcome to Davenport, where I share all things beauty, style, and confidence. If you're a returning eye catcher, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by again. Today we have a very fun, wonderful video. Guys, we are crossing things off of our luxury wish list in 2021 because things have been happening and I did not expect to be having another unboxing video so soon. I found not one, but two things on my luxury wish list, and it's just like it was meant to be, and I'm so excited. So I just had to bring it here to you all to update you on where we are. If you haven't seen my luxury wish list, I will link it above. I think I put that out at the beginning of February. It is now the beginning of March, and we have found two things on the list. We are crossing it off. So here we go. Full transparency, I have already looked at this item, but I still want to open it on camera with you guys as well. It is from our friends at Louis Vuitton. And I mean, getting this little orange box just makes you so excited. And it is the Toiletry 19. So if you saw my video, then you guys know that this has been on my wish list since 2020, if not before, probably since like 2018. But these are always so hard to come by. They are on the pre-love market, but they are well above the retail price. When I first looked at this last year in 2020, I believe it was $445. It is now $540. So basically $100 increase. Like I said in my luxury wish list video, if there is something luxury on your mind and you are able to get it, I would say get it now. All of the fashion houses, Louis Vuitton, Chanel, Hermes, all of the fashion houses are having increases, and it's just inevitable. It's something you can't avoid. Things that used to cost one amount one year is going to be double or triple that the next. So whenever you can get it, I say run and go for it. So I did pay a little bit more, but like I said, on the pre-love market, I've seen these go for like $800 on the pre-love market, and I'm just not paying that, knowing that they cost a little over $500 new. So I did order this straight from louisvuitton.com. I did their regular shipping. I think it took like 3 or 4 days to get here, not long at all. But I love this so much. I think I want the bigger size too. So this is the Toiletry 19. This is the medium size. It comes on a Toiletry 15, and then the Toiletry 26 is the largest. And the measurement, when I say 19, is how many centimeters it is across the bottom. So it measures 19 centimeters across, making it the 19 size. And it's just wonderful. It comes with the wipeable leather on the inside. So even though it's a nice cream color, it is wipeable because it's meant to hold your toiletry items like your makeup and your shampoo and your body wash. It is meant to hold your toiletries. A lot of people I know use this two different ways. They use it as a toiletry bag to put all their makeup in and then put it inside of a bigger bag. Or I have seen it used as a clutch. There are tons and tons and tons of reels on Instagram or YouTube videos to show you how to make this bag a clutch. If I find one that I really love, then I'll link it down below. I would definitely use it as a clutch. I'm not opposed to that at all. I think it's a very cute look right under the arm. It's just a great size. I will show you, it does fit my phone. This is the iPhone 12 Pro Max. And you see it goes right in, and there's still a ton of room left over. So I think this is a great buy. A lot of videos that I've watched, because I've definitely done my research, and that's what I suggest. Any luxury purchase you want to get, please do your research. See if the wear and tear, resale value, if you're into reselling your items. I've never resold any of my luxury items. I don't really plan on it, but I won't say I'm against it at all, because who knows what will happen. But as of right now, I don't plan on selling anything, but see if things keep their value. I don't know if this necessarily keeps its value as much, because it is kind of a everyday use product in terms of being able to put oils and liquids inside of this. But hey, on the pre-love market, it's going for $800 sometimes, so it could keep its value. But in the research I saw that the 19 was the best size to get out of all three, just because it's the most versatile of having a clutch version or having it as a keep-all or catch-all inside of your bigger bags. I'll probably use it as both. I do have a couple of trips coming up, so I'm definitely going to take it with me and kind of use it as a catch-all inside of my bags. And I may just take it out if we go to dinner really quick outside safely with a mask. I may just take it out as a little clutch to dinner. It does have just a little bit of the Vuitton leather on the tag. This one was made in Spain. It does say it right on the leather. This will patina over time. I'm completely okay with that. I think patina on a Vuitton looks beautiful. If you don't know what patina means, it means the darkening of the leather. It becomes like a deeper honey color, and the longer you have it, it becomes like a caramel, more of a brown color. It's just the wear and tear of Louis Vuitton bags. I will say I don't have Vuitton bags because of that. I do think they can look kind of worn over time and too quickly, but something like this is just a little bit. I don't mind it at all. It's a beauty. I love her. We love her. She's never going anywhere. And I do think I want her bigger sister in the 26. The other baby we found. Y'all, I don't think you understand how excited I am about this bag. OM to the G. So, we're just going to open her. Well, actually, before we open her. No, we're just opening her. Okay. So, this is the Saint Laurent Rive Gauche tote in the all black. Wow is all I can say about this bag. So this bag was also on my luxury wish list from about 2 years ago. So you can see that I've wanted these items for a long time, and these are not just whim purchases. I have thought about them for years. And let's just say how this bag happened and came to be in my possession. So I was on Instagram, per usual, looking at Instagram stories from just random bloggers I follow. And a blog that I love to follow, Somewhere Lately. It's two best friends. They run the blog together and they talk fashion, lifestyle. They're moms and they're pregnant at the same time. It's so cute. So they talk all things their life. Anyway, they post a lot of luxury content as well. And they happen to post that Saks Fifth Avenue was having a sale online and that YSL was a part of the sale, honey. I said, wait, on sale? And this bag was posted in their pictures that they posted. I said, ooh, hold on. So I went on Saks website and lo and behold, this bag was on sale. And, I tell my friends what's going on. So make sure you follow me at Davenport because I definitely let you guys know that YSL was having a sale. So hopefully you took part in that. It was a just random flash weekend sale and YSL was included, which really never happens. You can catch a sale on Saks for YSL maybe once, maybe twice a year. It doesn't happen often. But for a random weekend in February, I was shocked. And I got over $300 off of this bag. I will tell you the price. The price for this bag on currently brand new is $12.50. So I got $300 off of that price. And wow. I was shocked. It is everything I wanted and more. It does expand. It's just I haven't used it yet because I haven't gone anywhere. But this is a wonderful travel bag from all the reviews that I've seen, and I wanted it in the all black just because I didn't have time for it to get marks on it and be dirty. I have heard that the light linen color does clean very well. You just spot clean it. I've heard with a magic eraser. So if you do have the lighter color, try that. I've heard that works well, but I just couldn't be bothered. I had to get it in black. I will say, because again, I watched a lot of videos on it, this does attract lint a lot, but I went ahead and bought a lint brush from Amazon, and show you really quickly. Just brush that right on off. And that's it. No color transfer or anything like that, which is black, so you really wouldn't be able to see it. But I am going to always keep this in this bag. This came in a pack of 3. I will link them below. I think they were like $14-15 for a pack of 3, and you never can go wrong with a good lint brush. So I'll always keep that in this bag. I do have an insert coming for it. I will share that whenever I get the insert. I will tell you it's from the brand Samorga. I will link them below as well, and the insert for this bag. I got another insert from my Alma BB from Louis Vuitton, I got an insert only because I've heard that this bag can not lose its shape, but just needs to keep its shape, because there is nothing on the bottom. As you can see, there's no band or resting place on the bottom, so it could lose its shape. So I thought an insert will just help to mold it better. But it's wonderful. The handles are real leather, so you can touch them easily. They'll wipe off easily. The bag is a very thick linen coated material, so it shouldn't show marks or scratches or wear and tear much. I think this is a gorgeous bag. I think it is very chic. And to be honest, I was looking at the Neverfull as my first bag, which many people suggest, and I think it's a beautiful, beautiful bag. I love the Neverfull, and they just came out with a new version that I really love. Don't know if I'm getting that, but I saw this, and unfortunately it kicked the Neverfull out of the running. This is just, I cannot say enough about it. I can't even believe it's in my hands. It's been just a lust item. I just look it up all the time and on Instagram, and I look at YouTube videos, and to now finally have it and be making a video of my own is so special. I'm so grateful. Thank you so much to Somewhere Lately for posting that they were having a sale, because I would have never known. And it's just a thing of beauty. So I just had to share it with you guys. If they do another sale at Saks, I will absolutely put it up on my Instagram again. But it is available on Saks website. I don't think it was on the YSL website the last time I looked. You may be able to find it in store if you have a Saint Laurent store near you. I do not, so online is my only option. Saks is not near me. So yeah, online is my only choice. But if you have a Saks or a Saint Laurent store near you, definitely go in and check it out. Try this bag on. I will pop up a picture of me with this bag just so you can see it on my frame. I am 5'3" for reference. I am a curvy girl. It fits fine. There is no overstrap, so you can only hold it by its handle, but that's okay. I plan on using this mainly as a travel bag or as a big tote if I just need to carry a lot of items with me one day. So excited to have it. Love it. And eye catchers, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you are loving these luxury videos like I am, please, please, please give this video a thumbs up. It means so much to me for you guys who like and comment on my content. It takes a lot to bring it to you, so I appreciate the support so much, and it shares with YouTube that you like seeing things at iDavenport and to bring iDavenport to more of the YouTube community. So please like this video, comment below. While you're down there, don't forget to subscribe, smash the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload on iDavenport, and let's jump into another video now. I'll see you over there.